Oh, it's time for some me time. Ha! Okay, let's watch Sean get his mix on. Another master mixologist there. So we start off with some mint leaves, which he muddles a bit. All right. And then he comes behind with some cognac, okay? Cognac, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who don't know, is a brandy from the Cognac region of France. Okay, pour that in. And then some Torani, okay? Some lemon juice, some simple syrup. Beautiful. Followed by a little bit of saline. Saline helps even everything out, man. Saline really helps when you have like and then he shakes. Saline really helps like when you have like ultra sweet drink and you drop a little bit of that in, man. That smooths things right out. Crushed ice. Okay, now we pour in our mix. All right. Beautiful. Garnish a little lemon slice, mint. Okay, a little elephant or something. Straw. We're good to go. And there you have it. Me time. Okay.
Me time. You time.
Me time. How'd you come up with this? You were spending some time alone?
I was spending some time alone making drinks. I love cognac, and I think cognac is like a little underused. And I was kind of feeling like an iced tea kind of feel, and
it's kind of like a mojito cognac.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, especially with the mint.
See, guys, that's why you need mixologists, so they can come in and take you in a different way with your cognac.
Journey.
You like a cognac, but what do I mix this with? How about some damn mint? I can't do that, it's illegal. I just did it. Well, he just did it. I'm just drinking it.
You're just drinking it.
Awesome, awesome. I spent a lot of me time, you know what I mean?
That'll get it done.
Dirty mind, that's not what I meant, you sick bastards. Get some of this up in you, know, it's awesome. Guys, listen here. When it comes to these really creative, complex drinks,
I feel like I put my arm around you.
Go ahead, go ahead. All right, it's 2017, okay? Use any bathroom you want. Anyway, my thing is this, all right? Hit these dudes up on Instagram. Ask them questions. Hit Sean up asking questions about the drink. Like, hey, where'd you get this from? How'd this work? You know what I mean? And it is a delicious, refreshing drink. Perfectly balanced. Good to go. Follow him on Instagram. Stay tipsy, my friend. Stay tipsy.